Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can choose a Wi-Fi network on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the Crown button. Press on the Crown button again will allow you to go into the app screen or the home screen. Now tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we want to go back to the main settings page. So once you are at the main settings page, scroll down, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, make sure you tap on the Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it on. When it is turned on, it will scan for available networks to connect to. So here I'm going to scroll down and tap on this Wi-Fi network. Next, you can use the keyboard on your watch to put in the Wi-Fi password. You can tap on this small icon at the bottom, the number icon. This will allow you to switch to a symbols or numerical keyboard. And if you need more symbols, you can tap on this symbol icon for more symbols. So that will allow you to switch your keyboard between numerical and alphabetical. Now enter the password and then tap on the join button. If your Apple Watch is already connected to an iPhone, then there is an easier way to input your password. So you can see here, when I try to enter the password for the Wi-Fi, it will pop up on my iPhone. I can tap on that and use the keyboard on the iPhone instead. So here, when I input the keyboard on the iPhone, you can see it also gets inserted into the Apple Watch. It's just easier to use the keyboard on the iPhone than the Apple Watch. Now put in the password and then tap on the join button. After you have joined a Wi-Fi network, it's an incorrect password, so maybe you need to try again. If you put in the wrong password, you can try again and put in the correct password. Okay, once you put in the correct password, you can see there is a Wi-Fi icon right next to the network name. And that's it. So that is how you can choose a Wi-Fi network on the Apple Watch 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.